Hello and welcome to this video about harmful women's beauty and hygiene products that you should avoid. Before we dive into today's content, I'd kindly ask you to consider giving that thumbs up and hitting the subscribe button. Your support means the world to us, and it motivates us to keep producing top-notch videos just for you. Thank you in advance for being part of our community. It's important to be aware of the potential risks associated with the products we use every day and to make informed decisions about what we put on our bodies. Here are some products to watch out for. Hair dye. Recent studies have linked hair dyes and straighteners to a higher risk of breast cancer. While researchers continue to look into this issue, it's best to avoid hair dyes that contain harmful chemicals. Fragrances. Fragrances are often made up of dozens of chemicals, many of which have not been tested for safety. Look for products that are fragrance-free or use natural fragrances. Parabens. Parabens are a type of preservative that are commonly used in cosmetics and personal care products. They have been linked to hormone disruption and breast cancer. Look for products that are paraben-free. Phthalate. Phthalate are a group of chemicals that are used to make plastics more flexible. They are often found in fragrances, hairsprays, and nail polishes. They have been linked to hormone disruption and reproductive problems. Look for products that are phthalate-free. Sodium lauryl sulfate, SLS. SLS is a foaming agent that is commonly used in shampoos, soaps, and toothpaste. It has been linked to skin irritation and can strip the skin of its natural oils. Look for products that are SLS-free. Instead of using these harmful products, try these alternatives. Natural hair dyes. There are many natural hair dyes available that use plant-based ingredients instead of harmful chemicals. Essential oils. Essential oils can be used as a natural fragrance in place of synthetic fragrances. Preservative-free products. Look for products that use natural preservatives like vitamin E instead of harmful chemicals like parabens. Non-toxic nail polish. There are many non-toxic nail polishes available that are free of harmful chemicals like phthalate. SLS-free products. Look for products that use natural foaming agents like coconut oil instead of SLS. Remember, just because a product is on the shelf doesn't mean it's safe. Take some time to consider what you're putting on your body each day and how it could potentially affect your health. Use the resources available to you, like the Environmental Working Group and Think Dirty apps, to find safer alternatives to the products you currently use. By making informed decisions about the products you use, you can help protect your health and the health of the planet. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for watching your health, and we'll see you in the next video.